When protege sings Hugh Shearer ban Walter Rodney, oh no, when did that about? It's time for Jamaican Black History. Walter Rodney wasn't Jamaican. He was actually born in Georgetown, Guyana in 1942, but he was recognized as one of the most brilliant intellectual minds to ever emerge from the Caribbean region. After receiving his PhD in African history at the age of 24, Rodney became a strong voice for the disenfranchised and the underrepresented, and influenced by the Black Power movement in the United States, he actively began to challenge the status quo. According to the Walter Rodney Foundation, he explained the significance of Africa to Caribbean history and the importance of the struggles against the racial and social legacies of slavery and colonialism. He joined others to object to the socio-economic and political direction of the government, and unlike his counterparts, his work included the Rastafarians, one of Jamaica's most marginalized groups. Some of Walter Rodney's most remarkable works include How Europe Underdeveloped Africa and Groundings with My Brothers.
What might have happened in Barutsaland, southern Zambia, if there were not generalized slave trading across the whole belt of Central Africa, which lay immediately north of Barutsaland? What would have happened in Buganda if the Katangese were concentrating on selling copper to the Baganda instead of captives to Europeans?
Rodney's activities angered the Jamaican government, and after attending the 1968 Black Writers' Conference in Montreal, Canada, he was banned from re-entering the country. At the time, Rodney was teaching at the University of the West Indies in St. Andrew, Jamaica, and the decision to deny him re-entry sparked widespread student and civil unrest on the campus. The protests, which spread throughout the Caribbean and to other countries, became known as the Rodney Riots. After being banned from Jamaica, Rodney taught in Cuba and several other countries before returning to Guyana to join the Working People's Alliance. As the party gained momentum and Rodney's Pan-African message gained popularity, he was the subject of constant police harassment and threats against his life. On June 13, 1980, Rodney was assassinated by a bomb while traveling in his car in Georgetown, Guyana. He was 38 years old.